Oh yeah, welcome back today. Let's continue with installing Xampp. So you will go where you saved your user setup. For example, mine was downloaded and it is in programs folder. So I'll go ahead and now click on that setup. It will ask me for other permissions. I'll say yes. It should take a few seconds to launch the installer, and they'll have to follow a given set of instructions, and you go along with the wizard. You press OK there, and here it tells you welcome to the setup wizard. Click next. So here it provides you with a lot of setups to install all products, but because me I will focus primarily on MySQL and PHP, I will not need to have actually mail server. I don't need FileZilla. I don't need Tomcat. I don't really need Perl. I don't really need Weblaser. I don't need fake sendmail. So when you look here, I have Apache automatically selected. I have my SQL server. I have programming languages. I have only PHP, and I have PHP my admin helping me to navigate or provide an interface similar to that of Workbench that will help me to configure my database. So I'll click next. Also here I'll click next and next, right, and next. Therefore, it will start installing. It takes time depending on your device's capacity, your processor speed, your RAM, and other constraints. But for now, we shall pause the video. We shall come back when the installation is done. So, welcome back. Here, we are seeing that our setup is trying to finalize the last steps of installing the Xampp server, and decide to create an installer that will help you to uninstall Xampp completely from your system in case you're done using it. Yes, on local machine we use Xampp server for testing, for development, and also there are some systems that are deployed locally. You can continue to use them on your computer when Xampp is set. So I will go ahead and click finish. Here it will start the control panel automatically. It should take a few seconds. Then you can see our control panel looks like this. Yeah, it shows that this was last compiled in April 6th, 21st, 2021. So here we are provided with our server. All of these are disabled because we never installed them. So here we shall try to check to see whether our server Apache is configured well and it is running. Next, we shall try to test our MySQL server to see whether it's also running perfectly. Everything is running so well and so perfect. Yeah, the next thing will be to try to test to see if our Apache server is working and our MySQL database is also working. But for now, to keep this video short, we shall stop here. In the next video, we shall test our PHP and MySQL, so whether they are running and they are connecting. Yeah, thank you for watching. Let's meet again in the next video.